Hi, hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial new video. In this video, I will showing the tutorial of Dr. Phone for Android apps, which completely erase your data and protects your privacy. So without any further ado, let's get started. You can download the software by the link which I provided in the description. So once download, do install the software. So this is the erase option. Just click on that. You need to connect the smartphone in which you want to clear in the data. So once the smartphone is connected, you will be seeing this option. So all of you do just hit start button. You'll see the screen. Just enter these keywords in the box here and you are ready to go. Before proceeding with this, just make sure that you're taken back up all the details that I needed from the smartphone. And click erase now. So now it's erasing photos, music, movies and apps, including all your private datas. And also it uses advanced data eraser, which ensures that no data can be recovered even though they have using some heavy data recovery softwares. Once it done, all of your data is gone for good. This Android eraser ensures that the permanently deleting all the files and cleaning your browsing history, cache memory and all your personal information that you have stored in this particular smartphone. If you want a highly protective your datas, this could be one of the procedures to follow before selling or donating your older Android smartphones. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, do the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Technical Accent and hit bell icon for regular updates. Hope you see in my next video. This is Avinash signing off.